好! Glad to see you again. Today, let's go through the other 4 combined finals. These finals contain the letters ng, which sounds like So, firstly, let's try saying correctly and then move on to the finals. Sounds like the word tongue. Please repeat after me. Okay, let's start with the finals that include the letters ng. First one is like the word young. Please repeat after me. Next, let's try Basically, you put together with and you get Please repeat after me. Next is ying. For this, you put e together with and you get ying. Please repeat after me. Ying, ying, ying. The last one is on. For this, you put o together with and you get on. Please repeat after me. On, on, on. In this lesson, we have learned 4 special finals. Ying, on. Practice these finals and I will see you next time. Goodbye.